Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if today is your first time of coming across my video, kindly like, subscribe and share my video. So today I'll be taking you how to install your T-frontal. Okay, here we go. First of all, you try and control your customer's front hair so the glue won't cut the front hair. This is me controlling the front hair, and that's it. You see how the front hair looks like. Then I wear the cap, and that's the T-frontal, and you apply your glue. Make sure you apply enough glue and you spread it very well. That's me spreading the glue. Make sure the glue is spread very well. Okay, take your time, spread the glue very well. Okay, and here's me applying the glue for the second time. Then I noticed the glue wasn't enough, so I added more glue to it. Then I dried before I wore the frontal. Then after drying, then I make sure I band the hair very well. Make sure the hair is banded very well for like 5 minutes. Okay, for 5 minutes. Then there's the result of the melt. You can see how natural the hair looks. That's my T-frontal, and the customer was actually feeling herself. She loved the outcome of the hair. And this T-frontal is a blended frontal, so you take your time to make sure every detail of the installation is perfect. And this is the outcome of the frontal. Thanks for watching. Share and subscribe.